Hello friends, today we have discussed about angles. Angles, how they can formed. The angles are formed by intersecting lines. What are angles? Angles are nothing but when two rays combined with a common endpoint and the angle formed. Observe this picture. These two rays starts from single point and formed an angle. The space between two intersecting lines are surface of an angle. The components of angle are called sides of an angle, and this point is called vertex. Here is a two kind of sides. One is terminal sides and another one is initial sides, as shown in the image. Representation of an angle. Look this picture. Here is a OA and OB are the rays of an triangle and they formed angle. Once again observe this. OA and OB are the rays of an angle. These two rays formed an angle. This OA and OB are called sides of an angle, and point O is called vertex of the angle. And angle can be represented by the symbol L. In the above figure, angle AOB can be read as a BOA, angle BOA. Here O is represent the vertex of the angle, and angles can be measured in degrees. And types of angles. In the mathematics, 5 types of angles based on their direction. These 5 angle types are the most common ones used in geometry. Do you know the meaning of angle? The word angle has been originated from the Greek word angelos. Angelos means curved, slanted, or not a straight. Example, the space between leg and the foot is called ankle. Meaning of angle. Please observe this figure. Two rays intersect at a single point and form angle which is 60 degree. An acute angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degrees. In other words, an acute angle less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Acute angle is always less than the 90 degrees. Second one is obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Observe this picture clearly. This figure has of an angle 120 degrees. An angle is opposite of an acute angle. It lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. In other words, an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degrees. The angle which has angle greater than the 90 degree and less than the 180 degree, this kind of angle is called obtuse angle. Right angle. Observe this picture. Two sides of this angle is perpendicular to each other and formed a 90 degree angle. These are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. The right angle are equal to 90 degrees. In a right angle, two sides of an angle are perpendicular to each other. Fourth one is straight angle. What is straight angle? This is a straight line having a angle 180 degree. Straight angle is 180 degree. You can see that it is just a straight line because the angle between its arm is 180 degrees. Fifth one, reflex angle. Look at this figure and observe the arms of this figure. This figure has a degree greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. The reflex angle that has measured, which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. The reflex angle lies between greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degrees. This kind of angle is called reflex angle. Full rotation angle. This arm is rotate one full circle and form a circle of an angle 360 degrees. This kind of angle is called full rotation angle. An angle equal to 360 degrees are called full rotation of a full angle. It is formed when one of the arm takes a complete rotation to form an angle. Please note that the circle is equal to the 360 degree angle. If an angle is 360 degree, that is called circle. Thank you.